Hello students, I am Dr. Prakash. I welcome you all for the presentation on e-business subject of 6th semester BBA. In this session number 3.6, I will be discussing about online stored value payment systems. To begin with, stored value systems are a form of electronic payment technology. They coexist with credit and debit card technology and principally target the low value transactions. Online stored value systems have very low transaction cost. Stored value systems are based on creating a form of electronic value, for example, on smart cards or as computer files. The value can be bought or withdrawn anytime and spent in operational parts as a later date. Now, to start with the history of the system, in the first half of the 1990s, online stored value systems were developed. In the beginning, the usage of stored value systems was low, and it was unclear whether and when they will play a relevant role in the payment system market. Today, stored value cards (SVC) are one of the most dynamic and fast-growing products in the financial industry. SVC as a type of business model are necessary for low-value payments. In addition, SVV can only aggregate low-value transaction cost effective. Now let's see some examples of typical transactions. Typical applications of stored value system cards are stored value cards. An SVC is a smart card with a microchip or a plastic card with a magnetic stripe which registers the accounting balance. One leading difference between SVC and prepaid debit card is that prepaid debit cards are usually issued in the name of the account holders. In contrast, stored value cards are usually anonymous. The notion stored value means the funds and data which is stored on the card. SVCs are used as fare cards, telephone prepaid calling cards, or for micropayment in shops and vending machines. Now let us see how stored value cards. It is necessary to differ between two types of stored value cards, that is closed system prepaid cards and open system prepaid cards. In closed system prepaid cards have substituted the traditional gift certificates and are known as merchant gift cards. Closed system means that the cards are only accepted at a single merchant. These cards are also referred to as closed loop or single purpose cards. Purchasers buy a card for a fixed amount and can only use the card at the merchant that issues the card. The cards have often an expiration date or a service fee. In addition, most closed system cards cannot be repaid in cash. The second one is open system prepaid cards. In open system prepaid cards have nothing in common with credit cards. The issuer does not allow a credit to the card holder. Stored value cards use magnetic strip technology to store information about funds that have been prepaid to the card. The value is not physically stored on the card. With the aid of the card number, it is possible to identify the record in a central database. These cards are similar to closed system prepaid cards, but they are connected with a retail electronic payments network such as Visa, Visa Electron, MasterCard, Maestro, or RuPay card. Different to gift cards, they can be used anywhere where debit cards with the same logo are accepted. They are very familiar to debit cards except that they don't require a bank account and can be used to make debit transactions or to withdraw cash from ATMs. Thank you.